in the mirror.
It's not working.
You're cool, Jamie.
Look at this stupid hat won't fit on my melon.
She's trying. See, Jenny's trying to be the Hulk. Oh wow! Thanks so much. Jenny is trying to be the Hulk, and this is Victoria from Twilight, kind of, except not really. Cause I'm.
Look, my fingers are green.
Wash it off. It's in my jacket. Wash it off.
You're wearing the jacket inside out, stupid. Oh. Wait, hold on. Fluoride at work. Wait half an hour before food or drink.
Yeah, from the dentist. It's pretty great.
I
It's
taste.
so disgusting. It's not even funny. Ew.
I'll clean that up later, okay? I need a towel.
This is also a homeless
You're already
person.
scaring me.
It's Victoria plus a homeless person.
See, look, I'm the Hulk. Ready?
Jane, wash it off.
You don't look like the Hulk at all.
No, you're Bella. That's the point. We get in a big old fight because you're a
It's
vampire
Bella.
already.
I don't know when that happened, but we made it up.
Now, Bella has green teeth.
No, Jane,
That's not
gonna
cool.
get all over me when we're fighting. I don't like
Okay.
it.
Ew, don't use that. Ew, that will like stick to me. It's like what?
Get some toilet paper.
Yeah, that works.
Can you clean my
Here,
sink,
you want to kind of
please?
like take off? Yeah, I will. Can you take off my jacket or your jacket? I kind of just got stuff on it. Sorry.
Appreciate it.
So,
Like, whoa.
Clean my sink. I'm gonna get a video of you cleaning my sink. Clean
Jane,
it.
hurry so we can do this. God. Okay.
No, don't waste tape because we need
Jamie,
it.
what-
Like, I'm burning up underneath this pile. What is in this thing?
I don't know. Crap.
Hello.
It's a Bible.
From camp. Crazy. My first camp, it was like a Christian Bible or Christian camp, but we had Bibles. Like, seriously, one of the requirements was that you had to bring a Bible. Wow, you look retarded. That's amazing. Oh my god.
I'm like, what?
Yes.
Like,
Yes. Are you afraid? Ew. Gross. You don't know how to gargle?
No, not really. What is she doing? I'm trying to clean up here.
I'm a pimp sailor.
You're a
Oh,
what?
it's got
Can
all
you,
over
can
my
you
face.
repeat that really quick? Can you repeat that?
I'm a pimp.
Okay. Okay.
Dude,
yeah.
I don't really know how to clean a sink if I sing.
Well, clean it. Well, try it.
Got the look.
You got the look.
I'm gonna tie this around my waist. I need to hold my Bible in place. Yeah.
Trying to clean up here.
That could have been our video good if I hadn't flinched. I thought you were gonna hit me.
Please hurry, I am burning up underneath these legs.
Okay, sink's clean. It's good enough. It's good enough. You can clean it out later.
My face is green.
Whatever. You're the Hulk, remember?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I just want to talk a little. Do you
Okay.
mind if I get this towel green?
No, I don't. All right.